This hall, we all are normal human beings. Imagine, suddenly I turn to a zombie and I have this power of self-dividing and hurting everyone. How scary would that be? Very scary, right? Similar situations happen when our healthy cells turn cancerous. My research is about lung cancer. It's one of the deadliest cancer. One among every 12 people are likely to get it. Well, we have solutions, surgery, radiation, and drugs, but they have their own limitations. Sometimes finding the perfect drugs combination may take months to a year. Do our loved ones have that much of time? Besides, it also affects healthy cells, creating a huge side effects. In some cases, patients may even die of these side effects rather than cancer itself. So what to do? Well, we need a more targeted approach that can only kill cancer cells. That is what I aim to study in my research. I met these tiny little guys called viruses. Well, all viruses are not bad, like HIV or Ebola. My research is a Newcastle disease virus, or NDV. It's a birth virus, and it's not harmful to human healthy cells, but yes to cancer cells. I have sequenced nearly 1,000 NDV viruses to find very few potential anti-cancer agents. Next, I developed a mice model having 2 tumors, and I injected only one of those tumors with NDV. The results were remarkable. I found the mice survived, the tumor reduced, and no side effects. So what happened? Let's see. Imagine this is a tumor, and inside the tumor is a very secretive place, difficult for the drugs to reach, and difficult for our host immune to detect it. But I found after NDV infection, these cancer cells started producing certain amount of proteins. Now these proteins affect nearby cancer cells, producing more and more proteins. The tumor site is now an inflammatory site, drawing the attention of host's bigger defensive system to enter and kill it. Since the host immune response is now triggered, it also helped in the reduction of the distant tumor that was not infected with NDV. Apart from it, I found NDV infection can induce apoptosis or programmed cell death. This mechanism is usually damaged in cancer cells, causing them to divide in an uncontrolled manner. NDV is like a nanobiological machines that in future, it can be engineered to make a perfect vaccine candidate. What we need to fight this cancerous zombie, a perfect weapon. That could be NDV. Thank you.